subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming phone under A series called Galaxy A52 with 5G support, and it is going to be the successor of the Galaxy A51 smartphone that was launched in April this year. Recently, the upcoming Galaxy A52 smartphone renders were surfaced online by Steve Hammerstoffer through his blogging platform called Voice. According to leak renders, the Galaxy A52 will support a flat screen with a minimum bezels on the edges, and it has a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a stylish design similar to its predecessor, and it carries quad camera setup at the top left corner in a squarish module including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom it has microphone, speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 159.9 by 75.1 by 8.4 millimeters. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks and rumors, the Galaxy A52 will feature a 6.5-inch Infinity O display with in-display fingerprint sensor support, and it will run on latest Android 11 out of the box. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750J chipset paired with 6GB of RAM. As per the camera, the Galaxy A52 is expected to have 164MP primary camera along with the ultra-wide-angle lens plus macro lens and a depth sensor. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A52 has leaked so far, and according to Leakster, the phone is estimated to price around $499 and it is expected to launch by early next year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A52 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.